Okay, show y'all my redneck stand here. I cut some notches with the chainsaw and stood my phone, both phones up in it. This one's my mom's phone. You can see I've got the first part of this video uploading. I'm not sure when it ended. I'm not going to edit or do anything with these videos. I'll just go ahead and this will be the second part of the video. There's not much of anything to show. I'm just thinking when this tree fell down, what it was, we had like 7 inches of rain and we got some high winds, and this tree blew down and it was rotten anyway. And normally what happens like that, even if you cut the tree down or whatever, if it falls too hard, all that comb just collapses on each other, and all the bees that are in there, you know, a lot of times they'll get smashed, or the honey will, you know, leak down on them, and they'll eventually die. And sometimes the queen gets killed in the process. And I think that might be what happened. I'm not sure. There's a chance I've missed the queen. I'll look again here in a little bit. If there's no queen, even if there is a queen, I'll still take some brood out of one of my good hives, and it'll kind of help them out. There'll be some honey and some pollen and more bee larvae in there. They can, it'll help their numbers out, and they can also make them a queen if there is no queen. But anyway, I was using 2 phones a while ago and wasn't able to really show both of the phones real good, you know, both show y'all everything. But there is hive moths in here. The larvae already started. The little worm, I call them maggot looking things. And the hive beetles are real bad. This hive got weak. They was just fixing to either have to move out or die out. There was quite a bit of honey, but it's not I'm not going to take a chance on. Normally I'll take and squeeze it out and sell it, but with it already having the hive moth and the beetles and stuff, I'm just going to leave it alone. I'll let my hives, they're just right here close, I'll let them clean it up and do what they want to with it. There's a good chance I've missed the queen, because there's some that's trying to fan. That one right there. And they've really taken to the box. I don't know, I'll check and we'll see what happens. Either way, they're going to get some brood, as long as they'll stay here and take care of the brood and make them a queen or whatever they gotta do. I think we'll have a good hive. I probably ought to put them in a nuke, and I may end up doing that. I think we got rain coming tomorrow, and it's getting late right now, so the next few days, as long as they'll stick with me, I'll get them fixed up. But anyway, I'll go ahead and end this thing. I was hoping there would be more to this removal, but there's not. But it was fun. This is my first one of the year. Hopefully we'll have a lot more. We'll catch y'all later. The bees are cleaning all that honey up. Step through this interstate of bees here. And here's the hive, the bees that we got out of the hive. Looks like they're doing good.